Hi guys, higher maths trigonometric expressions, lesson 3, looking at addition formulae. So another exam question here. So A is the point 3, 4, B is the point 15, 8. Find the exact value of the cosine of angle AOB. So let's draw a little sketch for this. This is important. So here is point A, so 3 along, 4 up, put a little dot there. B is the point 15, 8. So from the origin, 15 along, 8 up. There's point B. Find the exact value of the cosine of angle AOB. So there's A back to the origin, out to B. So we're looking for this angle here. Okay, just that angle. Not angle B, not all of angle A that I've marked on, but just that one. So if I knew angle A and I knew angle B, then to get this angle here that we want, angle AOB, capital A, capital O, capital B, I would do little a minus b to give this angle in between. So if I want the cosine of angle AOB, then I can just do the cosine of little a minus little b, which is what I've done there. So expanding that, that's cos A, cos B plus sine A, sine B. So looking at angle A here, so remember that's 3 along, 4 up, so I've drawn that triangle there, 3 along, 4 up. Calculate the hypotenuse using Pythagoras, which is 5, and as I said in the previous video, there is that 3, 4, 5 triangle again. So if we've got the 3 and the 4, we can just put the 5 in as the hypotenuse. No need to do the calculation and show it for that part. Now, from this, the sine of angle A, opposite over hypotenuse, will be 4/5. The cosine of angle A, the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, will be 3/5. And we also need to do the same for B here. So if we drop this down, dropped a vertical line down here and joined it to the x-axis, that would create a right angle triangle with a base of 15 and a height of 8. So again, there is another Pythagorean triple. We've got 15 and 8. So 15 squared plus 8 squared is 225 plus 64 square rooted, which equals 289. Square rooted is 17. But again, that's a Pythagorean triple. If we are aware of that, as I said in this question up here, if we just know that's a Pythagorean triple, we don't need to do the calculations for Pythagoras. We can just write in the third side straight away. Okay. And again, the examiners and the SQA know that these triangles come up quite a bit, so I'm absolutely fine with you doing that. So from here, the sine of B is 8/17, the cosine of B is 15/17. So substitute into cos A, cos B plus sine A, sine B. And there we go, just taking the values from over here, substituting in carefully. And then numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator, or top times top, bottom times bottom. And add the two fractions together, and we get an answer of 77/85. So for me, the tricky part of that question is going from the question, drawing out the diagram, and actually working out that it's this angle we want to know. After that, you guys can all make up the triangles. You can all do Pythagoras. You can all do your sine and cosine ratios. You can all look at the formula sheet and write out that formula. Now, importantly, please make sure you look at the formula sheet, guys. Okay, I don't want you making up your own formulae that maybe 1 or 2 people in each class do. Generally speaking, because they don't put in the effort to turn the page back a few pages and look at it. So I want you all to be checking your formula sheet all the time. And then substitution, multiplying fractions, and then adding fractions with equal denominators. And that is another exam question.